The shaken espresso delivers cold, creamy coffee refreshment. Now you can spend up to $8 to get one of these at Starbucks, but we're making our own right here at home for less than $2. Now you can make a shaken espresso with any number of flavors or different milks. Today, we're making a brown sugar shaken espresso with whole milk. All you need to make this is 1/4 of a cup of whole milk, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 2 shots of espresso, a cup with ice in it, a beverage shaker, and, if you want that special coffee shop feeling, a straw. Start by warming up that espresso machine and grinding the beans so it's all ready for the most important step. The key to a perfect brown sugar shaken espresso is blending the sugar and the espresso together. So before you pull that espresso shot, add the brown sugar directly into the espresso glass. Then, run the espresso right over the top of the brown sugar and gently stir them together. Next, add the ice to your shaker and then pour that sugary espresso over the ice cubes. Thoroughly shake them together so the espresso gets nice and cold, and then empty that sweet foamy goodness into your cup. Slowly drizzle in the whole milk, and finally, add a dash of cinnamon. Now it's time to enjoy your refreshing brown sugar shaken espresso.